Welcome to Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. We are on location in Forest City, California. And where is Forest City, California? Well, it's in the gold country, kind of close to Downeyville. We're at 4,500 feet elevation, and if you try to find it, you most likely won't find it because it's a very obscure old gold mining town, mostly uninhabited. There's 2 people who live here full time, and then there's guys like me that have cabins up here to hang out and do whatever we like to do. Mountain biking, hiking, hanging out, whatever. So it's my birthday, and Sean, being the cool dude that he is, bought me a cool gift. He bought me some skids for my rear lower control arms. They're made by Lotus. And so what we're gonna do for you today on location in Forest City, California, is we're gonna show putting these suckers on. I know what you're thinking. You thought I was done putting skid plates on my rig, but here's another one. Okay. Real simple. You slide it in place. You put the bolt in with a washer on the bolt head. And then you get another washer and nut on the other side. You tighten it up. Done deal. This is probably the easiest skid plate I've ever put on this truck. You can do it too, if you're cool like me and you want to cruise the mall. So we are done with this 5-minute modification. Pretty simple. Put the little skid plate on, put a bolt through with a nut and washer on the other side, tighten it up tight, you're good to go. I don't know if I'll find a way to put another skid plate on my rig, but I'm certainly going to try because I get extra style points when I'm cruising the mall, negotiating the speed bumps while holding my latte and waving out my fans. So there it is there. We thank you for watching Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. We'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, do that below. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace out.
And happy birthday, Tim.
Timmy.